everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so if you're new, you're highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an anti-aging remedy that will actually help you to remove some deep mouth wrinkles, and it will also help to remove some facials fine line. All right, it's going to help to strengthen up your skin, make your skin look plump, tighter, firmer, and more beautiful. All right, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me take you right into the video. Let me show you how I remove my deep mouth wrinkle by using shea butter. Okay, now you need shea butter for your skin regimen. It is so important, and it is very necessary. Okay, now shea butter has a lot of numerous benefits for the skin. It helps so much to smoothen out the skin and make the skin look really yummy, and it also helps to remove stretch marks. So it helps to stretch out the deep mouth wrinkle, making your skin look really glowing. So I'm gonna be taking just a little piece of this, and then I have to mash it in here. We're also going to be making use of potato, guys. Now potato is a natural skin lightening property that helps to brighten up the skin and make the skin look really yummy and soft. It therefore makes the skin brighter by removing the dead skin cells, leaving the skin super duper great. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be removing the peel of this potato. Did I say tomato? I'm always mixing tomato and potato together. I don't know why, you know. Sometimes initially I was getting confused with garlic and ginger, but now it's tomato and potato because it all sounds the same. Okay, so after peeling it, I'm going to be cutting it into pieces. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting it into a blender, and I'm gonna be putting in just a little bit of water so that it can enable me blend it and blend it really well. Okay, now I would have to go blend it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so after blending this, then I would have to be putting about 3 tablespoons of it. And now we are going to be mixing it, okay? And I'm going to be making use of honey. Now honey is a natural remedy that helps so much and works really well in rejuvenating the skin, and it also helps to create a glow on the skin. It makes the skin really soft, and it also helps to remove deep mouth wrinkles. Yeah, so I'm going to be pouring in the honey, and about 1 tablespoon of honey is better. Okay guys, so you have to make sure that your honey is organic and really you know, effective. So that's, if it's organic, that's when it's going to be really effective. Yeah, now the next ingredient, I'm going to be making use of rice. Yeah, so rice is a great remedy that scrub out dead skin cells. It helps to remove fine lines, and it also helps to repair the skin, making you look really young. It is an instant skin glow remedy, and it's also a great natural ingredient. So I'm going to be putting in half tablespoon of that, and now time to mix it really well. this is a very nice paste. Last ingredient, we're going to be making use of egg. All right, egg helps to tighten up the skin. So if you have any fine lines and wrinkles, make sure that egg is inclusive in your homemade remedy. Yeah, it also helps so much in rejuvenating and firming up the skin. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in a little of this egg whites. Okay, after putting this, then I would have to be using my manual mixer to mix it really well. Okay, so that everything will mix together and I'll be having a very nice paste, very good consistency. And this is great. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So if you're having a deep mouth wrinkle, you know that stuff that's here. Hold on, here. All right. And this place. Okay, this is the solution. Now I refrigerated it, yeah, but it's going to refrigerate. It's going to make the oil congeal, which it did. Look at that. Look at how it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it. Always stir your ingredients anytime you refrigerate it. Okay, all right, now you would have to be applying it on your deep mouth wrinkle, any place you're experiencing that wrinkle. You apply them there. Most of the time it starts from here, and also some of the time it is here. Okay, at the eye area. So you apply a good okay. So apply it there because that is where the issue is. The issue is, and you apply a good amount of it there. Okay, now what is going to happen is that it's going to hold on to that skin, and then it's going to tighten it up, and then it's going to release some of those fine lines and wrinkles with time. Okay, it's not just going to like vanish everything in just today of applying it, or just the first day you apply it. It doesn't work like that. Okay, as you continue to apply it, it continues to vanish, continues to vanish, it continues to disappear, and before you know it, all of it is gone. And boof. Okay, so if you can hold it like this for a little while, almost 5 minutes, if yours does not dry in 5 minutes, you can still hold on, let it get into your skin, straighten that part that is wrinkled and all of that places that are wrinkled, and you're going to begin to love your skin. Now remember that anytime you apply homemade remedy, you have to use the toilet soap to wash it out. Okay, do not use all of those your skin bleaching soap and all of that, and then you expect it to come to work. It won't work because natural things does not go well with chemical things. Yeah, so if you're using a natural thing, you have to use a natural soap to wash your face, and before you know it, okay, you're going to be achieving that result, like that glow, like that shining, that popping skin, that clearer skin that you need, and all of this line will be gone. Yeah, like this. So I'll go wash mine out. Okay guys, so that's it. Go give this a go, and I'm sure all of your deep mouth wrinkle will be gone, and your face is gonna be looking really flawless and really glowing. Okay, so go give this a try, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Say bye.